for solving the examples related to the Z transform. Now, what will be the next portion of this particular unit, wherein we have to move ahead? We have to learn the various properties of the Z transform. So this particular unit is also divided into four parts, or I can say three parts. One of the part is definition, notation, symbols, definition of the Z transform, and various properties. Second part involves inverse of Z transform. Third part involves calculation of the solution for the difference equation with the help of the Z transform. So first part what we are going to deal with is the Z transform, its definition and various properties. Now various properties are discussed for the Z transform which are applicable for the sequence. Then we will be moving over to the inverse Z transform portion. Several methods are to be discussed or learned for the inverse Z transform, and then we switch over to the transform to the difference equation or a solution of the difference equation with the help of the Z transform. This particular simplification of the Z transform will involve the sequence or the series with the help or taking the help of the geometric series. How the geometric, is it clearly visible? Geometric series, we call this particular series as geometric series, as it is compiled as A upon 1 minus R. Now what is A? A is the first term of the sequence. What is R? R is the common ratio. The infinite geometric series is compiled as A upon 1 minus R. The infinite geometric series is compiled to or is written as A upon 1 minus R. So whenever you have the sequence or the series up to infinite terms, but it is a geometric series that previous the term next upon previous maintains the proper common ratio, then we call that particular series as a geometric series, and its simplification is given by A upon 1 minus R. What is A? A is the first term of the sequence. What is common ratio? Common ratio is R. Suppose see the series 1 plus R square plus R cube. A upon R will give you the ratio as R. Sequence is 1. 1 minus. What is the common ratio? Common ratio is R. What is this 1 upon 1 minus R? 1 upon 1 minus R is nothing but 1 minus R to the power minus 1. और अपने को बाइनोमियल एक्सपेंशन पता है 1 minus R to the power minus 1 is 1 plus R square plus R cube and so on. So it is ultimately the reduction or direct implication of the geometric series for the series which is containing in common ratio means R square upon R cube upon R. Next term upon the previous term, that we call it as a ratio. So accordingly, this is particular generalization of the geometric series. So 1 minus R to the power minus 1 is 1 plus R square plus R cube. This is all we are knowing it, right? And that is how it is written as 1 upon 1 minus R, which is 1 minus R to the power minus 1. This I am intentionally telling you because we will be requiring in the process of calculation this particular series. Now the standard question or the very first example starts from the calculation of unity. Find Z transform of unity and hence find Z transform of constant sequence K. अभी सीक्वेंस बोले तो नंबर्स यानी डिस्क्रीट सिस्टम, पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स ऐसे ही टर्म्स आने वाले हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंगली Z ट्रांसफॉर्म विल बी एप्लीकेबल. यहाँ पर कहीं पर भी वेरिएबल या फंक्शन नहीं है. एवरीवेयर इट इज नंबर्स और द डिस्क्रीट सिस्टम. सो Z ऑफ 1 बिकॉज सीक्वेंस किसका निकालना है? Z ट्रांसफॉर्म आपको यूनिटी का. What do you mean by unity? Unity is nothing but 1. Whosoever Z transform we have to calculate, that will be multiplied by z to the power minus n, where small z is a complex number, not to mention every time, but only you need to keep in mind. And summation will be taken over 0 to infinity, as we are talking about right sided or one sided z transform. So summation n equal to 0 to infinity 1 multiplied by z to the power minus n. n का वैल्यू 0 लीजिएगा, 1 into z to the power 0, z to the power 0 is 1, so first term becomes 1. 1 into z to the power minus 1, z to the power minus 1 is 1 by z, z to the power minus 2 is 1 upon z square, z to the power minus 3 is 1 upon z cube. It will go up to infinity. I can find or see that this is a geometric series, 1 plus r square plus r cube. So what is the common ratio? Common ratio is 1 by z. What is the first term of the sequence? 1. So 1 upon 1 minus r. 1 upon 1 minus 1 by z. Calculate the LCM, z minus 1 upon z. So z upon z minus 1. So I conclude that z of 1, z transform of unity is z upon z minus 1. This capital Z is z transform operator. Ye small z represents the complex number. So z of 1 is z upon z minus 1. Z inverse of z upon z minus 1 will be 1. And capital Z inverse is called as inverse Z transform operator. वैसे ही I have been also asked to calculate the Z transform of the sequence K. K can be written as K into 1. And I know right now we have calculated Z transform of 1. K multiplied by Z transform of sequence 1. What is Z transform of 1? Z upon Z minus 1. So what is the answer finally I am getting? Kz upon Z minus 1. So what is the Z transform of unity? Z transform of unity is Z upon Z minus 1. Z transform of sequence K is Kz upon Z minus 1. I hope this point is clear to everybody. This portion or part of the simplification is clear. Can we move ahead? Is
Yes,
this
sir.
clear?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Second value what we are asked to calculate is z transform of a to the power n. Rather we have to show that it is equal to z upon z minus a. जिस किसी का भी z transform लेना है, that is to be taken into summation multiplied by z to the power minus n. So by definition, z transform of a to the power n is summation n equal to 0 to infinity a to the power n into z to the power minus n. This z to the power minus n can go to the denominator with the positive index z to the power n. So numerator में बनेगा a to the power n upon z to the power n, which can be written as a by z to the power n. Keep on varying the value of n and take the summation. A by z to the power 0, 1. A by z to the power 1, a by z. A by z to the power 2, a by z whole square. A by z to the power 3, a by z to the power 3 is a by z whole cube, plus dot 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 up to infinity. What kind of series is this? Geometric series. Ratio अगर देखना चाहे तो next upon the previous, a by z whole square upon a by z is a by z. A by z whole cube upon a by z whole square, a by z. First term of the sequence is 1. 1 upon 1 minus r. 1 minus what is common ratio? A by z. तो आपका आंसर क्या बनता है? Z upon z minus a. So what is the sequence? What is the z transform of the sequence a to the power n? Z transform of the sequence a to the power n is z upon z minus a. So we have seen up till now two values, z of 1, z upon z minus 1, z of k, kz upon z minus 1, z of a to the power n is z upon z minus a. Similarly, we can calculate z transform of discrete unit step function which is given by u of n. Unit step function is denoted by u of n or the sequence un, ऐसा भी बोलते हैं इसको. What is the meaning of discrete unit step function? It takes only value 1 for n greater than equal to 0, and for n less than 0 its value is equal to 0. यूनिट स्टेप में उसका वैल्यू 1 होता है. 1 किसके लिए होता है? n greater than equal to 0. Greater than equal to 0 means 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So how I will define? अभी मुझे पता है our z transform is also valid for n equal to 0 to infinity. So z transform of this unit step function or discrete unit step function is n equal to 0 to infinity u of n into z to the power minus n. But u of n for n greater than 0 क्या है? 1. यानी यहां पर ये वैल्यू सिंपली क्या होगा? 1. 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय z टू द पावर माइनस n. n के वैल्यूज क्या है? 0, 1, 2, 3 एंड सो ऑन. So 1 plus z to the power minus 1 means 1 by z. Z to the power minus 2 means 1 upon z square. 1 upon z to the power 3. Z to the power minus 3 का मतलब, अरे ये तो कॉमन सीक्वेंस है, अभी देखा था. 1 plus 1 by z plus 1 by z square. It is 1 upon 1 minus 1 by z, which is giving you the answer as z upon z minus 1. So z transform of discrete unit step function is z transform of 1. And what is z transform of 1? Z upon z minus 1. So z inverse of z upon z minus 1 either discrete unit step function रहेगा और उसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है? 1. This is the geometrical representation of the discrete unit step function. -1 -2 के लिए वो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं होता. 0, 1, 2 के लिए continuously same value, it takes it as 1. This is how we define the discrete unit step function. Now one more term is known to you, which we call it as a unit response or impulse function or unit sample sequence, which is denoted by delta n. Delta n is the notation which is used for impulse function or the unit response function. Now how is delta n defined? Arey, unless and until we don't know the value of delta n, we cannot find out the z transform. So how the delta n is defined? Delta n takes the value 1 for 0 और बाकी सबके लिए जो नॉन जीरो वैल्यूज है उसके लिए वैल्यू कितना आता है उसका? 0. This is the peculiarity for the unit response or the impulse function. As per the definition of the z transform of delta n is summation n equal to 0 to infinity delta n into z to the power minus n. Now delta n is only valid for 0. It is not valid for any other number than 0. So 0 के लिए वो 1 into z to the power minus 0. 1 into z to the power minus 0 is 1. जैसे ही मैं n equal to 1 लूंगा उसका वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगा? 0. तो आगे में सारे वैल्यूज क्या हो जाएंगे? 0. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में भी सारे वैल्यूज क्या रहेंगे उसके? 0. हालांकि वी आर टेकिंग ओनली फ्रॉम 0 एंड ऑनवर्ड्स, आवर आंसर विल बी 1. तो z ट्रांसफॉर्म ऑफ impulse function or unit response function is 1. Z transform of 1 is z upon z minus 1. But z transform of unit response or impulse function is 1. How it is denoted mathematically? 0 के लिए only it takes the value 1. बाकी के लिए that response function or the unit impulse function does not exist. So this is how again one of the value. अभी मुझे बताइए z transform of delta n is 1. So what will be z inverse of 1? What will be z inverse of 1 given by? Yes. Whenever I say that z transform of sequence is certain term, so z inverse of that particular certain term is what? The original sequence. What is the original sequence over here? It is unit response function or impulse function. तो z inverse of 1 क्या आएगा आंसर आपका? डेल्टा n, z inverse of z upon z minus 1 is 1, क्योंकि z of 1 is z upon z minus 1, बट z इनवर्स ऑफ 1 क्या होता है? यूनिट रिस्पॉन्स फंक्शन और यूनिट डेल्टा फंक्शन।